Hey, it's Kimberlee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my extremely dirty makeup brushes with a little DIY. So I take a little bit of olive oil and I mix it with some liquid soap, and I just mix larger brushes like this one. I use the center where there's more space in between, and then for my smaller brushes, as you'll see later on, I use the smaller grooves. And as you can see, it just starts melting away and taking off all that dirt and grime that I've had. I definitely need to be washing my brushes more often. This is from Constant Product. I wear makeup almost every day. It just kind of depends on where I'm going. If I don't have to go anywhere or I'm going somewhere casual, I'm not wearing makeup, but because I do shows and performances and auditions and stuff like that, on the daily, if I have auditions, I am wearing that makeup. So this is actually a really helpful DIY so that you're not have to going out to buy any sort of solutions or anything like that, but you can just make this at home and clean your brushes. Once I see that the product is starting to turn more white as opposed to the color of my foundation, I know that it's getting clean. So I just do a couple more rinses and I tap it and then I just place it on a towel so that it can dry. And then I move on to the next one. And like I mentioned before, I just lay them all out, usually overnight so that they can dry, and then I'm all done.